Number 1. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z-28, $5,000, Delta, Colorado. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z-28 offers a strong foundation for an affordable muscle car project. Equipped with a newer 350 cubic inch V8 featuring a 4-bolt main block and automatic transmission, it runs and drives, but needs cleaning and minor restoration work. The car includes headers, a new air gap intake, and various new parts, some still in boxes. With 90,000 miles, rear-wheel drive, and a clean title, it presents a solid entry point for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic late second-generation Camaro. Number 2. 1977 Ford Mustang II, $5,000, Brentwood, California. The 1977 Ford Mustang II remains one of the most debated models in Mustang history. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, this coupe has 90,000 miles and a rebuilt title. The current owner purchased it at auction, completed several repairs, and kept service receipts. Although not as performance-oriented as earlier Mustangs, the Mustang II represents an interesting chapter in Ford's 1970s lineup and appeals to collectors who appreciate its distinctive styling and smaller size. Number 3. 1970 Volkswagen Beetle, $4,500, Washougal, Washington. This 1970 Volkswagen Beetle is a well-preserved example of the enduring German classic. All original and running great, it features a manual transmission and a clean title. The owner replaced the master cylinder, reconditioned the dash, and installed new carpeting throughout. Stored in a garage for 10 years, it shows minimal rust. With only 64,000 miles, this Beetle remains a reliable and affordable vintage car, ideal for daily enjoyment or weekend drives. Number 4. 1980 Chrysler LeBaron Town & Country Wagon, $2,500, Littleton, Colorado. This 1980 Chrysler LeBaron Town & Country Wagon combines classic wood-grain styling with luxury family transport. Showing 82,068 miles, this rear-wheel drive wagon is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Features include a roof rack, rear wiper, rear defroster, power windows, tilt wheel, and air conditioning. The vehicle runs but is being sold as a parts car due to its long storage period. With its original paint and interior, this LeBaron is a nostalgic representation of Chrysler's early 1980s station wagons. Number 5. 1985 Mercury Grand Marquis Colony Park Wagon, $3,500, Bullhead City, Arizona. This 1985 Mercury Grand Marquis Colony Park Wagon displays the charm of the full-size American family cruiser. Showing only 44,000 miles, it is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 and 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include turbine-style wheels, roof rack, power seats, power windows, and inward-facing third-row seats. Although it currently starts and dies, the issue appears to be a failed fuel pump. With a clean Arizona title, this Mercury wagon offers both vintage luxury and restoration potential. Number 6. 1980 Lincoln Continental Mark V6 Bill Blass Edition, $3,500, St. Ignatius, Montana. This 1980 Lincoln Continental Mark VI Bill Blass Edition represents American luxury at its finest. Stored in a heated garage for years, it remains in excellent condition for its age, with a clean title and 121,677 miles. The V8 engine starts and runs, but will need a tune-up before regular use. Featuring distinctive styling and plush interior appointments, this special edition Lincoln reflects the elegance and comfort that defined the brand's 1980s flagship models. Number 7. 1954 Mercury Custom 2-door, $6,500, Stillwater, Oklahoma. This 1954 Mercury Custom 2-door sedan offers a genuine mid-century design with factory black paint and classic chrome details. It comes with a V8 engine and manual transmission, though it currently does not run. The car retains its Oklahoma title and solid presentation, making it a desirable project candidate. As part of Mercury's post-war styling era, this custom model embodies the transition from traditional 1940s lines to sleeker 1950s automotive design. Number 8. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair, $17,200, Prairie City, Iowa. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair is a clean and well-maintained 4-door hardtop with a 4-speed manual transmission. Powered by an air-cooled flat-6 engine mounted in the rear, it runs and drives well with 70,000 miles. Recent upgrades include new tires, brakes, heater hoses, and a rebuilt starter. With minimal rust and a well-kept body, this Corvair provides an affordable and enjoyable classic car experience. Known for its independent rear suspension and unique engineering, it remains one of Chevrolet's most distinctive creations. Number 9. 1967 Buick Electra Coupe, $4,000, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. The 1967 Buick Electra Coupe is an impressive full-size car powered by its original 430 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. With a straight body, very little rust, and a clean title, it runs but needs interior finishing. The seller notes new seats and headliner, with additional trim pieces included. Paint cracks on the hood and trunk give it a 20-footer look, but it remains a solid project with great potential. With air suspension and elegant proportions, this Electra captures the confident style of late 1960s Buicks. Number 10. 1976 Lincoln Continental, Cartier Edition, $9,000, Michigan City, Indiana. This 1976 Lincoln Continental Cartier Edition combines luxury and power with its 460 cubic inch big block Ford V8 and 3-speed automatic transmission. With 70,000 miles, it runs and drives smoothly and carries a clean Indiana title. Recent maintenance includes a new mechanical fuel pump, fresh fuel lines, tune-up components, and oil change. The interior, including the headliner, is in excellent condition. This mostly original coupe represents the grand style of the 1970s luxury American automobile. Number 11. 1965 Plymouth Fury convertible, $15,000, Vallejo, California. This 1965 Plymouth Fury convertible is a rare and desirable classic, powered by a 383 cubic inch V8 with a 727 torque flight automatic transmission. Finished in white with a clean interior, this car remains largely original and ready to cruise. With 121,000 miles, it is described as a show-quality vehicle both inside and out. Whether kept as a stock cruiser or customized into a hot rod or lowrider, this Fury offers style, comfort, and vintage appeal. Number 12. 1969 Buick GS 400, $13,995, Prescott, Arizona. This 1969 Buick GS 400 is a solid, rust-free California-built muscle car. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it features factory air conditioning, power windows, steering, and brakes. The car runs and drives but needs new tires and a trunk key. The interior is nearly perfect, except for the driver's seat, and all electrical components, including lights and horn, function correctly. With a clean title and strong mechanicals, this GS 400 offers tremendous value for enthusiasts seeking a genuine American performance classic.